Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to configure your tax and currency. Okay, so to configure your tax, you click on the tax link and then let's add our tax. So let's say the first tax is default, which will be 0. Okay, so you set it active, then save the changes. All right, so to add another tax, we can call this as 6 tax. Okay, then we can have this as 6%, which is Malaysia standard tax rate. So you save it and so on and so forth. So if you want to add as many tax as you want, that's just the procedure. And if you want to edit or delete, so you can just click on the edit button, or you can also delete if you want. Okay, so this is how to add your tax configuration. So if you have so many tax and you want to search, you can just use the search bar here, and then it will filter the taxes for you. So to add your currency, you click on currency, then you can choose your currency information. So why is this currency so important? For example, let's say we go here to product list. Okay, so we want to add a new product, so create product. You can see here is default set as RM. So if you are using another currency, then you can set up the currency information at currency section here. Okay, so you just choose your currency, which is Malaysia. Okay, so in Malaysia we use ringgit, and then the currency symbol. So when you change this, it will automatically change this. Okay, so we choose Malaysia, and then decimal separator, thousand separator, number of digits, so on and so forth. So then you click these changes, and this will save your currency information. So if you want to edit, you can edit, and then you can save. So these are the most important configuration you need for your system. So once this is complete, then we are 80% accurate to start using our system. Okay, so lastly, before we go, we want to add a payment gateway. So to add a payment gateway, you click on payment gateway. Then you need to create it same way we created the business, the courier, and so on. So let's say we accept cash, and then we set this as active. Okay, so to add another payment method, you click create new, and then let's say we accept card payment, then you choose active. So just to let you know, this payment method are just manual payment gateway. This system doesn't support online payment. Okay, we are still thinking and working on the best way to set up online payment for this system. So if you want to delete or edit, you can do any changes you want here, and this is how to set up your system for the first use. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you how to add a product, or before that we need to add our staff teams, and then we need to configure our supplier, we need to configure our accounts, and so on and so forth. Okay, see you in the next video. Have a good day.